In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cassie!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY. So today's project, I'm going to be creating some holiday winter decor, and I'm going to be using dollar store materials. I found some faux leather materials from the dollar store that I was excited to use, and I'm going to be creating some popular basket trees with a twist and some other decor using faux leather materials. So if you want to see how this decor turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I started off by grabbing this woven basket that I had in my craft stash since about the spring, and then I'm gluing this faux leather word cut out on the front of it. And then I'm grabbing this brown faux leather vinyl and I'm cutting some strips, and I'm going to be using the strips to create a handle. And then I had these silver or metallic flat shaped beads in my stash that I'm going to be adding to the handles as well to make it look like it's hardware on the handles. And then I got some white mini Christmas trees from the dollar store, and I spray painted them black. And here I am just lifting up all of the branches so they'll all be facing upwards. Then I'm adding the mini Christmas tree into the basket, and I'm adding filler with some bags. And then I'm using cut up dollar store tree skirt that I've used in a previous project. I saved the scraps, and I'll also link that project in this video as well. But I'm just going to use that to blanket to cover over the inside of the basket so you can't see anything, and it looks a little bit more cleaned up, and it's covering the base of the tree. And then I'm just using some of the faux leather scraps to create a faux leather bow so that I can put on the top of the tree. decor, I'm creating a decorative tag that would be really cute if you wrap it around like a candle or just use it to kind of stage with the decor. And then after I adhere the material to the tag, then I poke a hole where the existing hole was, and then I run the string through it again. For the next piece of the decor, I'm using these wooden house-shaped pieces from the dollar store, and I'm covering the inside using some of the faux leather material to make a decorative tray. And then after I get both of the pieces filled with the material, then I glue both of the pieces together, and then I add another bow that I added to the trees to tie everything together, and I'm going to add that to the front of this tray. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.